Hey work friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a screen Labubu doll. So first we're going to get started on the left hand side and we're going to draw on the screen mask on the side. So we're going to start on the top and we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. On the top left we're going to follow this eye around. So we're going to curve this line out, down, back around, scooping that in on the left. We're going to come down drawing in the bottom of the mask on the left hand side again, curving this down, around, and then up. Now from here in the center, we're going to curve this down, around, and through towards the top, leaving a gap. And then now from here on the side, we're just going to curve this line around and then in, connecting that. On the top, we're going to draw in a small arch line, closing that off. Let's draw in the details around our eye on the right side. So we're going to again curve this line up, down, and over, and then stepping underneath, leaving a small gap. We're just going to curve this line through. Now from here, let's draw in the shape of our eye. So on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line around towards the top, bringing this down slightly in the center, back up and through, connecting that together. And then we're just going to color this portion in black. Let's move across now on the right-hand side. We're going to bring this line around, dipping that down in the center and then connecting that back together. And then again, we're just going to color that in black. Now in the center, right in the middle, we're going to bring this line around and then in for the nose. And then we're going to do the same thing from the center, curving this around and through on the right-hand side, coloring that in black. And now let's move down and draw in the mouth. So right on the bottom here in the center, we're going to curve this line out, in, back down towards the center. And then from the top again, we're going to curve this around, connecting that. And then again, we're just going to color it in black. Let's add in some of the blood splatter on the side now. So we're going to bring this line up, down, back over, and through towards that corner. And now let's close off the Labubu head on the inside. So right in the middle here, we're going to curve this line around and then down on the right. We're going to arch this line in slightly. From that point, again, we're going to curve this line down and then back in. Again, from the corner, we're going to curve this line through towards the bottom, bringing that back up. And then from that corner, we're going to curve this line over and out towards the left. Let's draw in our Labubu eye now. So we're going to arch this line over and through towards the right. Starting on the left-hand side, curving this around, back in on the side. Let's draw in the pupil. So we're going to curve this up, bringing that down towards the bottom. On the top, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we're just going to color the pupil in black. Now on the top, let's draw in the little strap. So we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines for the strap for the mask. Let's draw in the nose in the center. So we're going to draw in a curved line right in the middle. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom by connecting that together, arching that down. Let's draw in our mouth. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then up on the right. Now let's draw in the teeth. We're going to bring this line around and up. We're going to follow this pattern as we come all the way through towards the top right-hand side. Now let's close off the rest of the body. So we're going to come over on the right-hand side, just drawing in a small detailed line, curving this around and down. Let's step up. We're going to replicate this, making this wider. So we're going to curve this around and back in. Let's close off the side. We're going to scoop this down towards the right, bringing this back up and in towards the center. And then again from here, right on the top, we're just going to curve this line around and then down on the left-hand side. We're going to continue to bring this underneath our mask, curving this in. Now from here on the top for the ears, we're going to arch this line up and down on the side. Leaving a gap in the center, we're going to come over on the left-hand side and just replicate that. Now in the middle, let's arch this line up, bringing this down on the right, stepping over. Let's replicate this on the side. Now from here, right in the middle, we're going to curve this line up, bring that back down, replicating that on the left-hand side as well. Let's move down and draw in the body. So let's start for the arms. We're going to curve this line out. We're going to make this longer on the right hand side, curving that over. Let's come down. We're going to start with the torso first. So we're going to come down on the left hand side, curving this out, down and through towards the side. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the right hand side, and we're just going to replicate that, curving that out, down and through. Let's close off the bottom of the cloak. So we're going to curve this in on both sides. Now on the left hand side, curving this back up. Again, curving this around and through. Coming over on the right, curving that up. And then again, arching that around and in towards that corner. Let's move up, adding in a small detailed line. So we're going to curve this up and over towards the top right. Stepping up, replicating that, just making this slightly longer, extending it on both sides. Let's focus on our left arm first. So we're going to start from that corner, curving this in, back around, and over. Now from this corner, we're going to curve this up and through. Stepping through again, we're going to curve this around and over. Coming down, bringing this up, down, and through, connecting that together. Now on the left-hand side, for our hand, we're going to bring this line up and then down. We'll bring this line out, back in from that point. We're going to do the same thing from the center, bringing this over, back down. And then again on the left, we're going to bring this out on a diagonal, curving this line in. Let's close off the back portion, arching this down, and then we're just going to color that part in black. Let's move over now on the right hand side, and we're going to focus on this portion. So we're going to curve this line out, down, and then in. From here, we're going to curve this back up. Let's step over, arching this out, and then through towards the top. We're going to curve this line up, stepping over, arching that in. Let's draw on our hand. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this line down and then back in. Now on the right hand side, we're going to curve this line around and then back down, because this is going to be the one holding the knife. Let's step down again. We're going to curve this line through and then bringing that back up from that point. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move down, bringing that out and then back through. And then we're going to close that off with a curved line for the palm of the hand. Let's draw in the blade. So we're going to come down on the bottom, bringing this through. On the side, we're going to curve that line up towards the top. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this back in towards our hand. Let's draw in the blood on the bottom. So we're going to curve this line up, back over and through. Let's draw on the top of the handle. We're going to draw in a small circle directly above our first finger. And then we're going to step over, drawing in a straight line coming up. And then from that point, just curving this back around and through towards our hand. Let's close this off on the bottom by arching that out towards the blade. And then again, we're just going to color this portion in black. Now let's draw on the feet. So we're going to curve this line out on both sides. We're going to draw in a zigzag pattern as we come over, drawing that 3 times. And then we'll do the same on the left. And that is it. That's how you draw a Scream Labubu doll. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.